Namaskar everyone. In the previous videos, we already discussed about the presentation of accounting equation and the effect of each transaction on accounting equation. Now today we'll discuss about the calculation of profit. How we will calculate the profit. By this purpose, we need closing and opening capital. So to calculate the profit, we need closing capital and opening capital. And the difference of closing and opening capital is the profit. Now everyone must understand that what is opening capital and closing capital. The capital at the beginning of the year, that is as on 1st April, is called opening capital, and the capital at the end of the year, that is as on 31st March, that is closing capital. So the difference of closing capital and opening capital is called profit. But sometimes the closing capital is not given in the question. So firstly you have to calculate the closing capital, and how you will calculate it, that is given at the last, that is closing asset minus closing liability. Closing asset is what? The asset at the end of the year, and closing liability means the liability at the end of the year. In the previous topic of accounting equation, I told you that asset is equals to liability plus capital. So here asset and liability both are given. So if you deduct closing liability out of closing asset, then you will get closing capital. And when you put closing capital in the second formula, in the second point, that is closing capital minus opening capital, then you will get the profit. In the next slide, I will take one example to clarify you how you calculate profit by the use of closing and opening capital. Here is the example. A commenced business on 1st April 2011 with a capital of 5 lakh. So on 1st April the capital is 5 lakh. This is your opening capital. Listen it carefully. This is your opening capital. And on 31st March the asset is 780 lakh and liability is 70,000. So on 31st March asset is 780 and liability is 70,000. This is your closing asset and closing liability. Now two things you have to calculate here: closing capital as well as profit. So how you will calculate closing capital? In the previous slide I told you, you have to put simple formula, that is closing asset minus closing liability. So closing asset is 780 lakh and closing liability is 70,000. The difference of these two is closing capital, that is 7 lakh 10,000. Now you have to calculate profit. Now if you put the closing asset and closing capital and opening capital, means the difference of closing and opening capital, that is 7 lakh 10,000 is your closing capital and opening capital is 5 lakh. So the difference of closing capital and opening capital, that is 2 lakh 10,000 is your profit. So this is how to calculate first closing capital, and the difference of closing and opening capital is your profit. Now sometime some more information is given in the question other than closing capital and opening capital. In that case, the formula of profit will be changed. What will be the formula of profit in case of extra information, that we'll discuss in the next slide. So at the top of this slide, if drawing and additional capital is given in the question, drawing is what? The amount withdrawn by the owner for his and her personal and private use. And additional capital means other than the capital which is invested by the owner for the first time, that is additional capital. If the two information is given in the question, then your formula of profit is closing capital at drawing minus additional capital minus opening capital. So instead of closing capital minus opening capital, you have to put this formula: closing capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus opening capital. When you have to put this formula, when drawing and additional capital is given in the question. So let me take with one more example. A. Surendra Mohan started business on 1st April with a capital of 7,50,000. This is your opening capital. And loan of 2 lakh is taken from Punjab National Bank. That is 2 lakh. 31st March asset is 15 lakh. Now you have to calculate closing capital and profit and loss incurred during the year 11 and 12. Now, first of all, you have to calculate closing capital. That is closing asset minus closing liability. Closing asset is 15 lakh, but closing liability is not given. But one information is given, a loan of 2 lakh is taken from Punjab National Bank. That is your liability. And still it is not repaid. So this is your liability at the end. So that loan will be taken as your closing liability. So closing asset is 15 lakh and closing liability is 2 lakh. The difference of these two is closing capital 13 lakh. And out of closing capital, you have to deduct opening capital, that is 7,50,000, given at the first line of the question. So that difference is 5,50,000. This is your profit. Now, in case number 2, in the above illustration, we will take the same illustration, but we will give some additional information here. That additional capital is 125 and 40,000 withdrawn for personal purpose, that is drawing. Now in this case, you have to put the second formula of profit that is given at the top of this slide. First take closing capital, then add drawing, less additional capital and less opening capital. So closing capital is 13 lakh plus drawing is 40,000 minus additional capital is 1,25,000 and minus drawing opening capital is 7,50,000. So net answer is 4,65,000. So from both the point A and B, in A case profit formula is simple, closing capital minus opening capital, because no information of drawing and additional capital is given. But if the information of drawing and additional capital is given, then you have to put the second formula that is given in point number B. So this is all about how to calculate profit by the use of closing capital and opening capital and by some other additional information. Thank you so much.